name is Ishitha Arekapudi, and I'm a senior from Seattle, Washington. My project is Skywriters, an aerospace and aviation platform designed to help youth break barriers in accessing opportunities within these captivating fields. Currently, less than 3.4% of youth have had the chance to learn to fly before adulthood, which greatly limits their exposure to careers in aviation and aerospace. With Skywriters, I aim to increase that number by providing hands-on experiences and mentorship, inspiring the next generation of pilots, engineers, and innovators.